What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Monday. So we start a new week in the stock market, a brand new month to see how much we make in dividends for March. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before you invest into any stock or crypto. And if you are new to the YouTube channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I would like to continue growing this YouTube channel, doing more giveaways for you guys and all that other stuff. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for the support. So today, $58,000 in the Robinhood portfolio. Another down day in the market, down $1,630. After hours, I'm up $225. Buying power, I usually try to buy a stock, a couple of shares each and every single day. I usually don't try to use all my margin. I am using a little bit of margin, nothing like too crazy. I'm learning how to use it. Shout out to Oracle if he watches the video. He actually has nice videos on margin stacking and everything like that for people that are new to margin. Right now, I'm using $12,000 of margin. I'm allowed to use $81,000, and I have a status of low risk, a 63.35% margin buffer. So that margin buffer has to be at a good percentage for your portfolio to be good. You don't want to get a margin call. Now, this is just what I'm doing. You guys do not have to do that if you don't want to. If you guys want to, have a little more experience with margin, then yeah, you could play around with it, see what works best for you. So today, I basically just bought more of YMAX, YMAG, QDTE. YMAX, I'm at 925 shares. YMAG at 429 shares. QDTE now at 73 shares. So I like these 3 weekly dividend plays, stocks right here so far. I know they've been, pulling back a lot, but around these price ranges, with $14 on YMAX, $16 of YMAG, $37 of QDTE, I definitely want to keep buying more around this price range for all of them. Dollar cost average, and as the whole market has just been pulling back, these are definitely great prices to buy in. So for my first week, I bought more SPY-T. We're at 90 shares now. QQQT at 70 shares. TSLP now have 25 shares. In my second week positions, I got Nvidia, Phoebe, and Realty Income. So Phoebe, I bought like 2 shares at 57 shares. Nvidia at 353 shares. Realty Income, 71 shares. So this week, we actually are focusing on TSLP, which is my first week. TSLP, SPY-T, and QQQT. So SPY-T, I think they had... Let me go on to Discord and we'll go over some distributions here. We'll go to Retire on Dividends. Discord, shout out to Retire on Dividends. If we go to the distribution information, I believe it was posted on here the other day. I could be wrong. Let me see. It actually wasn't posted on here, so we gotta go to the other Discord. We'll go to High Yield Dividend Warriors. So shout out to High Yield Dividend Warriors. Let's look on. All right, so here we go. So shout out to Nico here. Defiant. SPY-T is going to be paying 31 cents per share. And then QQQT is going to be paying 30 cents per share. Now, it looks like the X record date was today, which is the 3rd. So let's just do a little bit of math to show you guys what I'm going to get with those 2 plays. I think I was around 88 shares, 87 shares on Friday. So the shares that I bought today, I believe they don't count. So I'm going to put 87 shares, and they're paying out 31 cents for SPY-T. So that's going to be around 26 bucks, maybe 27 bucks for SPY-T. And then QQQT, I think I had like 64 shares. So we'll put 65 shares for QQQT. 65, and we multiply by QQQT is paying 30 cents. So that's 19, maybe 20 bucks. All right, so $20, and we said 26. So that's going to be around 40 bucks from SPY-T and QQQT. and those are going to be paid out on the 4th. So those are going to be paid out tomorrow. So that's good. We got payments coming in on a Tuesday. And then TSLP, I think those will be announced tomorrow for Curve. I think today was the last day to buy for TSLP to get the dividend on Thursday. So SPY-T and QQQT, TSLP, and then YMAX, QDTE. These are going to be announced on Wednesday. We also have Coney, which I picked up a couple more shares today. That's going to be announced on Wednesday. Nefli as well. Nefli, I picked up a couple shares. Looks like after hours is doing pretty good. Up $42, up 4% in my portfolio at 52 shares. More shares of AAPY, now at 37 shares. Even though I'm down 2% around this price range, I definitely want to buy more. And then MSTY, AMZ, FEPI, AIPI, Oxford Square Capital. NFLP now at 50 shares. So I've been buying a little amounts here and there, and also of the VOO and SCHD. So we already know we're gonna get around $46, $47 from SPY-T and QQQT this week. That should be hitting tomorrow. And then we're gonna see what YMAX, QDTE, TSLP, Coney, and Nefli payout. I believe Coney is gonna be probably lower this month compared to last month because they just been doing horrible. Coney in the past week has been down. Let me see if this thing loads up. But I'm down 41%. I'm down $3,119 in Coney. And my average cost is $16.43. So I'm down pretty big with Coney. I don't think they're gonna pay a lot this month. Nefli, I don't think they might be okay, but Nefli, this one is probably the only one, and probably Phoebe, that have been doing pretty good for me as far as the Yield Max funds. All the other ones, even like YMAX and YMAG, they're not doing too great. But, again, that's just because the overall market is doing pretty bad. I got to see how some of these ETFs perform in the next year or two, depending on whether, that would make my decision on whether to keep them or not. So we got to wait and see. That's the only thing I can really do right now. Buy at the lows and keep on building up my share count. So, yeah, guys, that's basically it for Monday. Nothing too crazy. As the market keeps on pulling back, you buy more and then, see if you get nice distributions on the ETFs that you guys may have. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, you definitely hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, and on Twitter. Check out the link down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, definitely check out my link and you guys get a free stock. So appreciate all of you for tuning in. Again, this is not financial advice. So thank you all so much for the support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.